This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide the bookmarks bar on the Brave's web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Brave web browser open now. To hide your bookmarks bar, as you can see up top here, I have my bookmarks bar up here. To hide the bookmarks bar, what you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says bookmarks. And then you'll go straight across and up towards the top you can see where it says show bookmarks. That is checked there. You want to click on it again to uncheck it. And now as you can see, my bookmarks bar is gone. And to re-enable the bookmarks bar, you just repeat the same process. I'll go back up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'll click on it. I'll go down to where it says bookmarks. I'll go straight across and up, and I will check show bookmarks bar. And now my bookmarks bar is back. That is how you hide the bookmarks bar on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.